this is my favorite lip combo at the moment. At the moment? At the moment? At the moment! Ito yung mga binabalikan ko talagang combo. Both are from Vice Cosmetics. This is their Velvet Blur and their Velvet Soft Lip Bullet. This is in the shade Gentle Kiss. Gamit na gamit ko talaga siya. And I super love that it has this brush na pang diffuse. Mas maganda yung maging application niya. Mas blurred out. So what I do is I line my lips. I overline my lips talagang. I love overlining my lips since I want like more like ganon. So, yun. Sobrang important sa akin na nagalaw yung lips mo pag nag apply ka ng lipsticks. Lipsticks? Ang dami, di ba? Like, ayan, stretch mo yung lips, create ka ng line sa baba. So, yung illusion talaga na magandang plumpy lips, overlined lips, is pag maganda yung pagkakalagay mo ng shape dito sa baba ng lips. Like this. And then, once that I'm satisfied with that, what I do is I connect na yung aking lip dito. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Like that. And then, of course, I smile para makita ko na maganda. And look at the shade. Halos ka-shade lang siya ng labi ko. 'Di ba? Then for the upper lip, I love to do like smiling. So, kita ko yung Cupid's bow. And hindi agad ako nag-overline with this. I make sure to connect it with, ayan, i-connect ko muna siya. And then, tsaka ako mag-overline. Kasi minsan, pag ino-overline ko na agad siya, nagmumukha siyang bilog yung lips. Done plumpy. There you go. Okay lang pataas. And what I do next is to blend it. Ganda. Actually, mas bet ko talaga siya na dinidifuse. There. Super love. And then, I put the So Dreamy na shade. Ito yung favorite shade ko out of all. Kasi sobrang ganda bakla. And then, the right way to apply this is dab lang. But with this lipstick, pag hindi ka talaga nakapag-scrub or nakapag-tanggal ng layer ng dry lips, may tendency siyang mag-crack-crack. But still, maganda siyang tingnan. And then, blend ko lang siya with a brush. And that's the lift. Lift? O, diba? Sobrang gorgeous na. I love the matte. It's very matte, no shine at all, but still very comfortable on the lips. And then, ayun na siya. Yun ang atake niya. Tapos ang usapan.